Jerusalem state. Prayer and fasting before God's throne He waits. Our tactics is approval, a new path to take. Inspecting ruins with a heart that aches. Rebuilding walls of God's holy city. With every brick a prayer lifted high and pretty. Through trials and fears they stand as one. Rebuilding walls until the work is done. Sanballat's mockery, Tobiah's disdain, but Nehemiah perseveres with a heart that sustains. Workers armed with swords, building by day. God's protection surrounds, come what may. Rebuilding walls of God's holy city. With every brick a prayer lifted high and pretty. Through trials and fears they stand as one. Rebuilding walls until the work is done. Elishib's compromise with Tobiah's tie, but Nehemiah corrects with a courageous eye. Marriage reforms with a pure heart's aim. God's laws restored like a refreshing rain. Rebuilding walls of God's holy city. With every brick a prayer lifted high and pretty. Through trials and fears they stand as one. Rebuilding walls until the work is done. Dedication celebrated with joy and cheer. God's presence rejoices, His people draw near. Nehemiah's legacy, a heart that adores. God's glory shining forever in stores. Rebuilding walls of God's holy city. With every brick a prayer lifted high and pretty. Through trials and fears they stand as one. Rebuilding walls until the